Hello again. Just wanted to give you a quick look at my collection of lead holders and mechanical pencils. I'm going to start with the lead holders, and here's probably one of the cheapest ones that you can find out there. It's a 2mm and it has a mechanical advance. It's all plastic. It's pretty cheap. Um, this one sort of falls under the same category, but it's a little bit more high end. It does have the metal knurling. The body's plastic. Very cheap plastic that can be bent. But it has a nice mechanical advance system. And it actually feels good in your hand when you're drawing. The grip on this one's pretty good. It's got the triangular shape that feels very natural on your hand. Here's one of the better quality lead holders out there. Some people don't like it, but I do enjoy it. I do find it very attractive. It's all metal or Koh-i-Noor. This is one of the pencils that I use the most. This one's doesn't have a mechanical advance system. It's just a clutch holder. So it's a gravity feed system. This is the one that made me want to start a collection of pencils. It's a vintage Charvos 23. It's all metal body. It's a clutch system. It's pretty nice. The knurling feels pretty good. It's a little beat up because it's very old, but this will last you forever. We're made in Italy. They're hard to find now. You can still find some on eBay. This one right here is one of my most recent purchases. It's the Alvin Ben B3. As you can see here, it's made in Taiwan. It's all metal, and it's got a mechanical advance system. It's very tight. It's very hard to press, but it's very precise on how much lead you get. So it's very good for what it's meant, which is for drafting. The knurl is pretty good. It's a small knurling, but that's all you need. And it feels very good in the hand. And this one is something that I've never seen reviews on YouTube or any sort of video on YouTube. One of the Red Circle. They're better known for the knockoffs of the Rut Ring. It's pretty good. This is a 2mm lead. It's got a mechanical advance. As you can see, it's pretty good. It's all metal. The knurling feels pretty good. It's not. It's a bit slippery, but it does the job. The only thing I don't like is there's a little wobble, little play on the lead. I don't know if you're able to see it, but there's a little play there. For the price compared to a Rot Ring, it's pretty good. It's got the lit indicator, and it works. So for now, these are my LED holders. I also have a whole bunch of mechanical pencils. Guess we'll start with the ones that are all plastic. I recently got these in clearance from Walmart. These are the side effects. They came in packs of 2. They were 50 cents. So why not? So I got them. Got the side click. Their Pentel. It's very precise. And it feels really good in the hand. So I got a pack of 0.5 and 0.7. The next two will be these, also from Pentel, the Energel pencil. They're in 0.5. They come in packs of 2. They look just the same as the pen they have, which I also love the pen. It's one of the pens that I use the most at work. So these pencils feel pretty good in the hand too. Here's one that people love a lot. It's also from Pentel. It's one of the P200 series. This is the P207. This is the only 0.3 pencil that I have so far for now. It's from Staedtler, the 925. It's all plastic, but the tip is metal. And the advanced system is made out of brass. And it has the LED indicator. It's smaller than most of the other pencils, but it feels really good in the hand. Got this rubber grip, so you have good traction. And this one right here is a Zebra Delgard in the 0.5. It's got that Delgard system that protects your LED, so you can only advance it 3 clicks, and that will protect your LED. If you advance more than 3 clicks, your LED's going to break. But as long as you only do 3 clicks or less, your LED won't break. I like this system. I'm very heavy-handed when I write and draw. By the way, most of the time I use them for drawing. I don't do a lot of writing with my pencils, but I do use them all for drawing. And this Delgard system helps me because I do have a heavy hand. So I like that system. And that's the reason why I got the next one I'm going to show you. This is the Delgard XL in a 0.5. Red's my favorite color, so I got it in red. It has a plastic body with a metal clip, very tight clip, but then the grip area is made out of metal. It has that Delgard vent system, and this is one of my favorite pencils for drawing. I've been using this one quite a lot lately. I've seen a lot of videos about this one. A lot of people love these. So I got it in a 0.5 and a 0.7. This is the Unishift pipe slide. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people out there have seen this at work. It's a very good drafting pencil. I used to, at the beginning I was trying to get everything in a 0.5 and a 0.7, but I actually enjoy drawing in a 0.5 better. So everything I've been getting lately, comes in a 0.5. So again, this have the plastic body, but a metal grip. This one's comparable to the Delgard, but I like the Delgard system better than this one, the Unikuru Toga. This one's in a 0.5. This one's the one that has the metal grip, but it has the plastic body. Everybody complains about how small the eraser is. It is very tiny. This is the one that rotates your lead as you're writing. So I like the Delgard better than the Kurotoga, but it's a very good pencil if you do a lot of writing. Not so good for drawing, because when you're drawing you're not lifting your pencil as much. These two are the Pentel Graph Gear 500 and 0.5, 0.7. These are excellent pencils. I use them a lot for drawing. So metal grip, plastic body. You can find this in a lot of stores. And next we have the Pentel Gear 800. It's got this metal grip, plastic body, 0.7, drafting pencil, and it's got this rubberized grip in conjunction with the metal. And also in the same series of Pentel gears, this is the Pentel Gear 1000. This is like everybody's favorite pencil out there. It's got this mechanism that hides your lead sleeve to protect it, so it makes it pocket friendly. Lead indicator, very strong clip, nice mechanical advancement, great pencil, and very premium. It's all metal. I enjoy drawing with this a lot. And next we have these Papermates. I believe they were called the Design. Got these on clearance. They're a pack of 2 for $1. I haven't seen them anywhere else since. Very good pencil for writing, but I also enjoy drawing with this one a lot. It's in a 0.7. And next we have my absolute 2 favorite pencils as of right now. They're from Pilot. This is the Pilot S20. It's got this wood body, metal tip, metal clip, lead harness. As you can see, I've been using it a lot. I use this one for a lot of my drawings. It's a smooth pencil, but because of the shape of the body, it allows you to hold it low and hold it high, so making it perfect for drawing. So it's an excellent pencil, very elegant, This is not retractable, so it's not pocket friendly. This is the most delicate part of this pencil because this can break easily. And this is my most recent acquisition. This is the Pilot Metropolitan Collection with the animal print. This one's the crocodile, black matte, metal body. Very precise advancement of the lead. Let's see if we can get this to focus. So, very elegant pencil. It does have an eraser, and this is where you load up your leads. It's a very good pencil for writing. I actually sketched something with it very quick here to show you. That was done with this pencil. It's up on my Instagram. I do post all my drawings on Instagram. I'll post a link if you do want to check my drawings out, and that's it for now. And I almost forgot because I guess these guys were hiding on me. This is the Staedtler 925-25 in a 2mm mechanical advance. The indicator, all metal body, nice grip, narrow grip, metal clip. Very solid, excellent pencil. I have to decided to get the blue one because it's a very nice blue. They're very premium. I love these pencils. In my opinion, I don't think, as far as the 2mm pencils, there's anything better other than this. So that is it for my collection. Again, thank you. If you have any comments, put them down in the comment section, and thank you. So if you want to learn more about any of these pencils, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe.